everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on our class teacher. Our class teacher's name is Mrs. Meena Sharma. She teaches us English and always makes the lessons interesting. Mrs. Sharma is very kind and treats all the students equally. She encourages us to ask questions and share our ideas. Her way of explaining things is clear and easy to understand. She always checks our homework and helps us improve. Mrs. Sharma tells us inspiring stories that teach us good values. She organizes fun activities to make learning enjoyable. We feel comfortable talking to her because she is friendly and patient. Mrs. Sharma is the best teacher and we all respect and love her a lot. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.